I like that we're completely student run and it's actually students who care. You know, it's not a joke. It's not, we're not playing around. We genuinely care about what's happening.
There was no doubting the passion of any of the 200 students attending the 3rd annual Student Environmental Summit recently at Bladensburg's Waterfront Park. Hailing from 20 different high schools, the students spent the day enjoying the outdoors that each is committed to saving. Whether it was bird watching,
I'm pretty sure those are 2 osprey up there.
learning to fish,
Watch what I do. Watch my thumb. Just watch I won't catch it. Stay right here. I won't catch it. No. Watch my thumb. So when I release the thumb, it goes out.
handling a bow and arrow,
I'm gonna have my arm that's holding the bow out all the way straight. My elbow is straight. My other arm, I'm gonna pull back all the way to my cheek. I'm gonna look where I'm shooting. I'm gonna pick one of these little floating ball targets and I'm gonna let go.
or getting down and dirty shoveling mulch. The young environmental activists were having the time of their lives.
It makes me feel really happy. I was on the team that kind of helped with the planning of it on the student side, and it's really nice to see it come to fruition. This is our 3rd year doing it, and it's super exciting every single year to come and see people out here who care about the environment doing stuff for the environment.
It's a little bit of preaching to the choir because all of the students here either are taking an environmental science class or they're part of one of our after-school clubs that is based about environmental science. And so things like advocacy is really important, so they're learning about that today. They're still learning new stuff. Not every one of the schools composts yet, so we've added composting at both of our meals. So they're really getting all the good stuff here.
Good stuff, indeed. There were boat rides on the Anacostia, displays of natural history body parts, and learning that casting a rod is a challenge, especially if your worm wriggles off the hook.
Where's my worm?
We have a casting practice, which is kind of in the style of cornhole, because cornhole is very popular in Maryland. People really like it. It's a fun recreational activity. So we kind of make a fun activity and turn it into a learning opportunity as well. So we have these fishing rods with beanie babies or little bean bags, and we kind of have them practice casting into the cornhole boards that have like fish painted on them, just to kind of get the practice without having the hooks and stuff involved first. And I think it really targets these students that, especially in today's day and age with technology and having like phones in your pocket, computers in your pocket, it's really easy to not get outside and not be really present in your environment. So I think it's a really great way to kind of come with your school, come with your friends, and just kind of almost like do these little test runs of all these different outdoor recreational opportunities and see what you kind of like to do.
So, what do the students and their teachers have to say about getting more people to conserve the out of doors and to jump for joy, as they did, at the beauty of nature?
I think it's important for people to remember that even if they're not going to like a courtroom or they can't like do something drastic to help the environment, it's really the little things that we do day to day to help the environment, and anybody can make an impact.
Environmental literacy is super important to us, so the more we can spread it around, because we really need to create this foundation for our students.
Planet Earth will be in very good hands, thanks to PGCPS's environmental students as its caretaker.